Have you ever left a lecture feeling overwhelmed, wondering how you will possibly remember everything, or perhaps even worse, feeling like you missed the most important points? It is a common experience, but with the right approach, you can transform your lecture listening into a powerful learning tool. The most effective strategies for identifying key information in lectures boil down to two main pillars: active engagement before and during the session, and smart, structured note-taking. These methods ensure you are not just passively absorbing sound, but actively constructing understanding. These strategies work because they train your brain to filter and prioritize information as it is presented. By consciously looking for specific cues and immediately processing what you hear, you are building stronger neural pathways and creating mental anchors for later recall. This proactive approach significantly reduces the cognitive load of trying to make sense of everything much later. To put this into practice, start by previewing the lecture topic beforehand, even if it is just scanning the chapter or agenda for key terms. During the lecture, listen for verbal cues from your instructor, such as phrases like, "This is critical, remember this point," or "A common mistake is." Pay close attention to information that is repeated, written on the board, or explained with examples, as these are strong indicators of importance. When taking notes, focus on capturing main ideas, key concepts, definitions, and supporting evidence rather than attempting to write down every single word. Try to summarize points in your own words, which forces deeper processing. A powerful technique is to formulate questions during the lecture based on what you hear, and then actively seek their answers in the presentation. Additionally, notice changes in vocal tone, pauses, or eye contact from the speaker, as these can often highlight crucial information that the lecturer wants you to retain. Immediately after the lecture, take a few minutes to review and consolidate your notes, filling in any gaps and highlighting the most essential points. This immediate review solidifies the material in your memory. By adopting these intentional strategies, you will not only identify key information more efficiently during lectures, but also build a comprehensive and organized set of study materials. This proactive engagement will significantly improve your comprehension, boost your memory retention, and ultimately reduce the time and effort required for exam preparation, setting you up for academic success.